Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send emails with Gmail and n8n. This is incredibly useful if you want to automate your email responses based on form submissions or other triggers, saving you time and ensuring consistent communication with your audience. First, you'll need to head over to n8n.io and type in your credentials to log in. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your n8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click on that to get started with building your automation. After clicking Create Workflow, you'll be taken to the n8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll be presented with two ways to create your workflow. You can either build it manually by selecting the Add First Step option, or you can use the Build with AI feature if you prefer a more guided approach. For our purposes today, we'll be going the manual route to give you full control over each step. To set up auto-sending emails with Gmail on n8n, you'll need to start by configuring a trigger from your editor screen. Click on Add First Step. A right side panel will appear, and from here you should locate the search bar and type in Form. We're using a form as our trigger because whenever someone submits this form, it'll automatically send an email through Gmail. From the search results, click on n8n Form, then select the trigger option, which is on New n8n Form Event. This tells n8n to listen for form submissions and respond accordingly. Once you've selected the trigger, a form parameter window will appear. This is where you'll customize your form. Enter the form title and description to give your form some context and make it clear what information you're collecting. Then, you'll need to add form elements by clicking on the Add Form Element button. These elements could be text fields, drop-downs, or any other input types you need. Take your time configuring these fields to match exactly what information you want to collect. Once you're happy with your form setup, close the parameters window. Now comes the exciting part, setting up the action that actually sends the email. Click on the plus button to add the next step in your workflow. This will be the action that auto sends an email from Gmail whenever the form is submitted. A right side panel will appear again, and from here, locate the search bar and type in Gmail. Under the Gmail actions, look for the option that says Send a Message and click on it. A parameters window will appear, and this is where you'll configure all your email settings. You'll need to fill in the sender field, which will be your Gmail address, the recipient field, which can be pulled from the form submission data, the email type, and finally, the message content itself. You can use dynamic fields here to personalize each email based on what was submitted in the form, making your automated emails feel much more personal and relevant. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated email system using Gmail and n8n. Now, whenever someone fills out your form, Gmail will automatically send them an email without you having to lift a finger. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.